In this experiment, we're going to grow something that isn't alive. Sound kind of neato?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to use a chemical reaction to grow a crystal that you can then hang like an ornament. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. We'll begin by getting creative. Twist your pipe cleaners into a design of your choosing, like a star or a heart. This will become your ornament. Now that we've made our pipe cleaner shapes, we need to cut about 5 inches or 12.5 centimeters of string. We're going to tie one end of the string to our pipe cleaner shapes and tie the other end around the middle of a pencil. Next, we're going to lower our pipe cleaner shapes into the jar with the pencil resting across the mouth of the jar to make sure the string isn't too long. Fizztastic! You can now take the pipe cleaner out of the jar and set it aside. We're ready to pour the water into the jar. Use a tea kettle to boil your water. We've done that here. Set your jar on a heat-safe surface and add the boiling water. Remember, we're going to add 3 cups of boiling water to each jar. Now, we need to add the borax to the hot water in the jar. For some Fizzlicious color, we're going to add 5 to 10 drops of your choice of food coloring to the jar. Fizztastic! We're going to stir the borax and the food coloring into the water with a spoon so that it dissolves as much as possible. You should still see some particles of borax floating in the water. All right, it's time to lower our pipe cleaner shapes into the jar so they are completely covered with the borax water solution. The hard part is waiting to let our pipe cleaner shapes sit overnight. But in the morning, our pipe cleaner shapes will be covered in crystals, and we'll have our ornaments ready to keep or to give. Welcome back. We can now gently remove our ornaments from the jar and let them dry by hanging them in an empty drinking glass or an empty jar if your drinking glasses are too narrow. These need to be completely dry before you hang them on your tree. So let's watch them dry. Perfect! They're completely dry! Well done! So now that our crystals are completely dry, we can cut off the string and tie a ribbon to the tops of our ornaments. Now we can hang our Crystalicious, Fizztastic ornaments on our Christmas tree at Christmas time, or even leave them up near a window so the sunlight shines through and makes them sparkle. Oh, Fizztastic, marvelous and wondrous! What beautiful ornaments we have!